Okay.
Okay, here we go again. I made a big mistake when I initially set up my batteries in here. I used some cheap terminal clamps, and I fried a couple of my battery posts, melted them. I had to buy 2 new batteries. So this time, you know, I learned from my mistake, and I got these good terminal clamps. These things are thick, and they got wing nuts on the top. Let's get them installed and get the batteries connected. These right here is this is my battery post connectors. I made them and they fit real good. Look at that. Isn't that nice and clean the way I got it right there? Wing nuts. This one is going to go over here.
With his little helper. Oh, he have his toy. Babe, he have his tools.
Okay, now this one. What are you fixing it? Come up. Okay. Now I gotta tighten that up. I'm gonna tighten up this other one first. I'm gonna tighten up this one. Boy, is it tight. I can get this in there. Get ready to tear up stuff. No, sir. No, sir. Still can't get it in there like that. So, the problem is tightening up this nut. I'll get it.
Gonna end or?
Yeah. I'll be back. I'll show you.